Look at that, look at that. Happy energy na parang nakalaklak kayo dito 'no, ng vitamins na inubos ninyo sa isang araw ng laklakan lang. Happiness ng inyo ritong energy sobrang taas at nakikita ko rito that you will love this feeling. You will love the situation right in here. Let's take a look at what kind of situation is that we're in. You will feel like that you're dancing in the rhythm of life, that the overflowing energy gives me the vibe of you're in love, you're in love, you're in love right here, or you will be in love right here. Wow, let us see. Yeah, I keep on repeating the word love because that's what I'm getting. I'm vibing the flow of love sa yung energy, no? Sa yung ugat, sa ritong bones, no? It gives me chills, but I love it. So let me see what is this all about. So let's see. Halina't makichismis. Oh, okay. Listen, if you are dealing here with a new person or you want to deal here with a new person, then claim this energies right here. Your new person here, no, meron siya ritong with the sun energy, malinaw na sinasabi sa akin na ang new person rito mga babes, no, hate na hawakan kung ano ang kanya. Ayan o, ibig sabihin this person here no, will not allow anyone to touch your hand. Will not allow anyone to make akbay sa inyo. Will not allow anyone lalo na to touch your lips, okay? Or to hold you, hug you right in here, okay? Dahil may pagkaseloso or selosa ang new person, 'yan 'no. Pero hindi yung energy na nakakasakal ha. Okay, sino ba naman kasi yung may gusto, 'di ba, na i-touch ng iba 'no, kung ano ang sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, hindi talaga yun puwede, okay? Hindi talaga yun puwede 'no. I agree with this person right in here, world card energy. Yes, yan ang isang paalala sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Look at that. From Knight of Cups going to the King of Cups energy, definitely your person here ay someone very loving, very romantic, very giving pagdating sa'yo. And look how happy you will be. Wow, parang puwede ka na ritong mag-jump shot, 'di ba? Because of joy, because of happiness right in here 'no, kasi finally meron na rin ditong person 'no, na ganito yung pagtingin or magiging pagtingin sa'yo. Let's see at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Ace of Swords now, we have here this Two of Pentacles in reverse, and the Ten of Cups, yun 'no. So, malinaw na malinaw rito 'no mga babes na meron ditong energy ng isang new person 'no, nako-connect sa inyo kung hindi mo pa yan nami-meet. Soon you will be yung iba sa inyo 'no. If you're dealing already with a new person at hindi mo pa 'to alam, this person here hates na may umaaligid-aligid sa inyo 'no, may, kahit na accidentally lang na hawakan yung kamay ninyo 'no, or kahit yung likod ninyo whatsoever 'no. Ayan, ibig sabihin may jelly-jelly ang person niyo, pero hindi yung tipong nakakasakal, ayan 'no, yung tipong kinikilig-kilig ka dito. So, bago natin pag-usapan ito more, batiin na natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Insta buyers ko po yaters. Maraming salamat. Kung di niyo pa alam, may pa po tayong other channel. Link down below sa ating description box. If interesado, click lang yung link po dyan para mapunta po kayo doon. Araw-araw yung nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. Okay? At yun nga, wala po tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT. Lahat po ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang roles dahil possible na magpalit yan. General reading kasi ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So yun yung mga babes, no? Wala po tayo dito nga time period, no? Pero sa nakikita ko dito, ito ay nangyayari na, no? From the kasalukuyan, moving towards the near future or immediate future. So definitely, you've manifested this person here kasi lumabas ang magician. Ibig sabihin, gusto mo talaga ng person rito na magpapakita rito sa'yo ng sobrang importansya, no? Yung parang secured ka talaga, yung na love ka niya, no? Yung alam ng lahat, no? At proud siya rito sa'yo, no? Na ikaw yung person niya. Gusto niya rito ipagmalaki na ikaw ang kanya rito na person, no? Ikaw yung kanya ritong Yoja Chingu, Namja Chingu, boyfriend, girlfriend, ikaw ang kanya rito, no? Na wife, husband dito, no? So, this person right in here na nakita ko na ang person na to, no, ay ang person na gusto mong mag-exist sa iyong mundo or sa iyong world or reality. At ito na nga, no, nahatak mo na siya papunta sa iyong life, no? At ito ay mas nahahatak mo pa ng mas mabilis, no? Quickly with the Eight of Wands. So, nakita ko that you are not far from meeting this person right in here, and we're not just talking about any person here, it's your special person. It's the person destined for you. The sun ay revelation. The sun is the clarification, no? Napakalinaw, no? Yung sabog ng liwanag ng katotohanan with the Two of Cups energy. This person is none other than your person. Yun yung nakikita natin dito. So, sa nakikita ko rin dito mga babes, no? Eto rin yung klase ng person na hindi nangiiwan with the Two of Cups energy. Laging nakasuporta rito, no? Nakikita ko rin dito, no, na siya ito na meron talaga ditong sariling pamamaraan or way, no, kung paano pagaan ang loob mo na every time you feel down, maybe because of your work or other circumstances sa iyo ritong personal life. Of course, may mga personal dealings ka rin sa iyong personal life, okay? So, ano man yan, family issues or work, this person here knows how to console ka, how to give comfort and relief sa iyong situation. This person, kahit naman wala kang pinagdadaanan, this person here ay nakikita ko rin dito, no, na someone na, um, parang kaya niya dito, no, na pasayahin ka dito everyday. This person here, ay nakikita kong pag-aaralan ka dito, no, at oobserbahan ka very seriously, no, para magampanan niya rito, no, yung kanyang role bilang partner mo. Yes, you really tried na this person here, no, ay given all the effort, okay, in order na mas makapagbigay sa kanya ritong yun, no, minamahal. At yun ay walang iba kundi ikaw. Yes, you heard it right. And this person here, no, will do everything, no, like non-stop kilig, non-stop love ang kanya ritong ibibigay sa'yo. Na see how the energy from the Knight of Cups, no, nag-jump sa King of Cups. See? Because this person here, none other than your lover. I do see that the union is not far from happening. It's very near. It's very pretty soon. Eight of Coins energy. This will surprise you because it could be something here, no, na biglang dumating, di may na-expect, or baka dumating dun sa time na you're busy doing something, you're dealing something here, no, important sa yung personal life, no, and then boom, someone here will definitely come into your world. And when this person comes in, I'm seeing that you will welcome him or her with open arms. Ote, isn't it wonderful? Of course it is. No, it is very amazing to see that you will dive into this very beautiful love story. And yeah, you heard it right. Your love story. I do pick up that when this thing happens, you will not you cannot stop thinking about this, okay? You will end up, no, na gising, no, kakaisip dito, no, na nasa loob ka ng isang napakagandang relationship, no, and parang gusto mong tampalin-tampalin yung sarili mo, no, para maka-make sure kung talaga bang hindi ito klase ng dream or panaginip. No, it's not. It's not a dream. Kumanya. Okay? So, kung sino man tong energy na to with the Two of Pentacles energy in reverse, I do pick up that mas iisipin mo pa ang person na ito na talaga yung one sent ni universe for, yeah. What isn't it wonderful? It is extremely wonderful that I cannot explain the intensity of how beautiful your love story can be because you've suffered a lot, because you've undergone so much pain in your past lovers dito, no? Ay nakita ko dito, no, na etong mga naka-relationship mo dati, no, ay very malayo sa iyong true love, true person mo. Your Mr. Right, your Miss Right right in here is very far different from your past lovers or ex lovers. Yun mga babes, 'no? Kaya naman nakikita ko rin, ako rin botong-boto ko dito sa taong ito, 'no? Nakikita ko dito, 'no, na hindi talaga siya rito papalya na pasayahin kayo rito everyday, 'no? Lahat ay kanya ritong gagawin. Maaari ring ang taong ito ay marunong or magaling magluto. Maaari rin po, 'no, na ang taong ito, mga babes, 'no, ay energy ng, okay, energy rito, 'no, ng someone na alam mo yung alam niya na napapasaya ka na niya, pero mas mag-iisip pa siya rito ng paraan para mas, mapasaya ka pa niya lalo. Yun, 'no. So, ganong klase ng energy, wow! So nakikita ko rito, 'no, sa person na ito, okay, it will be introduced sa inyo, 'no, sa, isa sa inyo ritong mga friends, okay? Actually, not the closest friends, pero puwedeng friend mo, kino-consider mong friend, 'no? Yung iba puwedeng literal na friend or kakilala mo sila, 'no? Puwedeng part rin ng iyong FB friends. Kung papaano mo makikilala ito, they will introduce this person here sa inyo, okay? So, maaaring at first, 'no, ay hindi ka magkaroon ng interes sa kanya agad-agad. It's not instant, na connection dito, 'no, pero nakikita ko that siya ay ang magkakaroon dito ng high chance, high frequency, 'no, na pagtingin sa'yo from the get-go, okay? First na tingin pa lang niya sa'yo rito, 'no, you will steal this person's heart. Ote, how is it, 'di ba? So, wow, I do see that this person right in here, you will definitely, okay, feel this person's presence, no? Kasi hindi siya yung klase ng energy na nag-aaksaya ng panahon. Hindi siya yung klase ng energy rito, no, na na papalipasin pa yung ilang araw para may gawin or whatever, no? So, siya ay naniniwala rito, no, na kapag ka may gusto, kailangan gawin agad. Okay? So, I love it, no? I love the motto ng person na 'to in life. I also love this person's, energy, no, of being someone who pursues and someone who is not a quitter. And I also do pick up that this person here, no, ay someone who's very loving. Perfect, no? Perfect dito sa hinahanap mo. Nagma-match talaga siya dito 101% sa mga, sa mga, katangian na hinahanap mo sa isang, lover, and perfect, 'no? Kasi siya na 'yun, okay? Siya na yung, buhay na proof, 'no, or the living proof, okay, dito ng iyong perfect manifestation in love. So yeah, you heard it right here na initials na tayo. Oh, nakakita ko ng colors. Might be favorite colors ninyo or niya. I'm seeing pink. I'm also seeing black. I'm also seeing white and blue. Okay? So just take only what resonates here. Okay? This person here could be someone who loves reading books or maybe someone who's smart, okay, or intelligent. Just take only what resonates, okay? So, initials we have here capital letter D, T, N, P, B as in boy, J, K, O, A. And for small letters, we only have one, K, S. So, ito yung mga mensahe na nakuha ko here about your new love. So, thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana Ani for the girls. Say nga na dun for the boys. Sarang 11 light sweethearts. Annyeong.